What if the journey to discovering your dreams was as meaningful as achieving them? That's the magic of Paulo Coelho's The Alchemist, a timeless tale about following your heart and finding your purpose. The story follows Santiago, a young shepherd who dreams of finding a hidden treasure near the Egyptian pyramids. Along the way, he meets mystical characters, a king, a crystal merchant, and an alchemist who guide him towards uncovering the true meaning of his quest. At its core, The Alchemist is about pursuing your personal legend or your life's purpose. It teaches us to listen to our heart, embrace the challenges along the way, and recognize that the journey itself is the reward. What makes the book so powerful is its simply what makes this book so powerful is its simplicity. Kolho's writing is poetic yet easy to follow, making it feel like a fable for adults. The themes of courage, faith, and self discovery resonate deeply no matter where you are in life. Of course, the book isn't for everyone. Some might find the message overly idealistic, but for me, that's part of its charm. It's courageous, it's it it encourages us to dream big and trust the process. So if you haven't read The Alchemist, I highly recommend it, and I have linked the book in the description below, so you can also listen to the audiobook for free with an Amazon Audible trial. It's a story worth experiencing. So what's your biggest dream? Let me know in the comments, and if you haven't read The Alchemist, I would love to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching, and happy reading.